Hello and welcome along to the next video on my camper conversion YouTube channel. This video is just going to be a little bit about some rust removal. I've got a little sink here that I've just fitted into a kitchen unit. The sink was in storage for a long time and it's had some just surface rust pitting just along the very top. It's a stainless steel sink, so it hasn't eaten through anything, but it's just not looking as nice and neat as it could. So I've gave it a scrub down with all sorts, some metal alloy cleaning and like car cleaning, all sorts, some hob cleaner, all sorts, and it just hasn't shifted it at all. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to try some Rustins Rust Remover. Now this stuff you just need to apply liberally over any affected areas where you want to treat. So this is just going to get a good brush going all the way around the middle of this. It's going to be left for 5 to 10 minutes just for it to do its stuff. It doesn't take long to react. And then hopefully once it's done its stuff, it should get rid of all of the very slight surface rust that's actually in the bowl. And it's a good condition bowl. It'd be a shame not to use it, so it's just a case of tidying it up, and as I say, hopefully this stuff should do the job. So we'll give it a go and see what it's like. Right, so I've left that Rustins just for 5 minutes or so, something like that, and the difference that's made, it's made it look brand new. As I say there's barely anything left compared to what it was when I first started there. And just for the sake of 5 minutes, a couple of quid's worth of Rustins. I'll put a link in the description of the video below, have a look at that. That'll be where you can get some of the Rustins, but as I say, that rust remover there, that's just worked a treat. It just needs a wipe down now, so I'll give it a wipe down and pick it up just when that's all finished. But just a quick inspection, I'm really impressed with that, so I'll give it a clean down and show you the final product. Well, there's that sink all wiped down and cleaned down, and as you can see the difference there compared to what it was beforehand. So for the sake of a couple of quid for some of that Rustins remover, as I say, there's a link in the description of the video, so if you are looking to find where to get some of that, just have a look in the description, and as I say, there'll be a link there. And I say that's just brought that sink up an absolute treat. All of the actual rust gone, you wouldn't even have known any was there. So as I say, I'm really impressed with that, really pleased I actually had some lying around so I could give it a go. So I hope you found that video useful. As I say, check the link in the description for some of the Rustins remover, just in case you've got some surface rust, some pitting that you want to get rid of yourself. Really easy, just paint it on, leave it for 5 minutes, wipe it off. You can't really get any easier than that, can you? So as I say, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it that old thumbs up. Have a look at my channel, I've got all sorts of different videos on there, everything from camper conversion to other rust removal and repair videos as well. So have a look at my channel for that, and do feel free to subscribe. As a thumbs up if you found it useful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, cheers.